Right, so we have a square, and it is 10 square centimetres in total. But look, they've split it up into 4 different areas for us. And so when we're asked to show that x squared plus 6x equals 1, let's just use those 4 areas. And so we can do our working on the diagram. This is not a problem. We can say 3 times 3 here is 9 square centimetres. The one on the top right here is 3 times x, and so that's 3x square centimetres. And then the one down the bottom left here is x times 3, which is also 3x square centimetres. And then this little one in the corner is x times x, which is x squared square centimetres. And so if we just say that the total area, let's write it like that, the total area is equal to 10, we can then say 3 times 3 is 9, plus the 3x, plus the other 3x, plus the x squared is equal to 10. And we're almost there. 3x plus 3x is 6x, so I've got 9 plus 6x plus x squared equals 10, and that's almost what we want, except we don't want the 9 on the left, so let's subtract it from both sides, and I get x squared plus 6x, just writing those the other way around, is equal to 10 minus 9, which is 1. And there we go. That's all they wanted us to do.